Snow White's forest animals. We can fly. We have feathers and a beak. We say tweet, tweet. We help lead Snow White to the dwarf's cottage. What are we? Can anyone guess? We are birds. We have long ears and little fluffy tails. We hop, hop, hop everywhere. We help Snow White dust and sweep up. What are we? We are rabbits. Can you wriggle your nose like a rabbit? We have 4 legs. We like to leap everywhere. We fetch the dwarfs when Snow White eats the poisoned apple. What are we? We are deer. Point to the deer's long nose. We like to eat nuts. We can be red or gray. We have big bushy tails. We help Snow White wash the dishes. What are we? We are squirrels. How many squirrels can you see? 1, 2, and 3. Good night.